The job market is undergoing a significant transformation due to the impact of automation and artificial intelligence. While these technologies are automating some functions, they are also creating new job opportunities. According to the report, The Future of Work by the World Economic Forum, which interviewed 803 companies employing 11 million people across 45 countries, some areas have immense growth potential, while others may be eliminated. With this, the World Economic Forum identified the areas with the greatest surplus of vacancies for the period from 2023 to 2027. Let's check the main ones. The demand for artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning experts is growing rapidly. With automation and tools like ChatGPT, the need for these professionals will increase by 40% in the coming years, creating 1 million jobs. AI allows machines to learn from data, such as in recommending movies, while AI experts develop programs that mimic human intelligence to solve complex problems. Since 2019, many new job openings have been related to this field, including positions for sustainability analysts or managers who plan and execute socio-environmental projects for companies. Business intelligence and data analysis analysts are also in high demand, with a projection of 1.4 million new positions. These professionals are crucial for companies as they collect and analyze data to identify market patterns and trends, aiding in productivity improvement and strategic decision-making. Cybersecurity is another vital area, with a growing need for information security analysts to protect data and systems from cyber attacks. Fintech engineers are in demand due to the increasing use of technology in financial services, from apps to encrypted transaction networks. Data analysis is critical, with a projection of 1.4 million new positions for data science analysts who use statistics and algorithms to interpret data and support decisions. Robotics engineers also have bright prospects, as robots are increasingly used in various sectors, such as car manufacturing, surgeries, and space exploration. Specialization in big data is growing, as vast amounts of data from different sources need to be organized and analyzed, especially in sectors like healthcare, education, insurance, and retail. Agriculture is not left out, with a projected 30% increase in job demand due to the use of advanced technologies to improve crops and adaptability to climate change. Digital transformation professionals are also in high demand, assisting companies in transitioning services to the digital environment, with an expectation of 2 million new positions. Although technology is creating more jobs than it is eliminating so far, the job market remains challenging. These include bank or retail store teller, postal service employee, data entry clerk, and administrative secretary.